Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Me and my little Chihuahua Mookie are going to whip something up and have some appetizers right on the beach here, right on Lake Okanagan. Of course, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we need a drink. So today I made a tiki drink. It's called a Yellow Bird. I'm going to put the ingredients up on the screen. We're out at the lake, and that's where my blue fish terracotta pizza oven is. So we're gonna do a pizza on my pizza oven. Ready, and we'll meet you on the beach. Also, if you like what you saw, check out my other channel, Tiki Pizza, where me and my little Chihuahua Mookie combine our love of tiki culture and pizza. Alright, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, we're just going to do some tortilla shell pizza. So I really like the thin Chicago thin crust pizza. This is a good way to just get cracker thin pizza without having to do the dough. My Chicago thin crust pizza takes 3 days for the dough recipe. This, you just pull it out of the package and you got thin crust pizza. You won't know the difference. And we're just going to do a mini pizza because it's Appies with Chappy by the lake. So there it is, very thin tortilla, and that's going to be our mini pizza. And we're going to put a little sauce on, not too much. Now you could toast the tortilla first before you put the toppings on, but I think I'm going to do it in my outdoor terracotta bluefish pizza oven today, so that it's going to get super hot. Alright, and I got a brick of mozzarella. I read somewhere that the shredded mozzarella comes with a chemical, an anti-caking agent called cellulose. So if you don't want chemicals in your cheese, shred your own. I'm just gonna cube it today, being lazy. But it melts all the same, I believe. Alright, it's just a tiny pizza, so we don't need too much cheese. Okay, that's actually a lot of cheese, but who doesn't like cheese? Okay, and then I got some top of the line high quality pepperoni, Fantino's and Mondello, original pepperoni, original dry pepperoni. I could be wrong, but I believe like the pepperoni put on pizza, the coins, is sort of an American creation. It's like a bastardization of some types of salami. I could be wrong on that. All right. So we got the nice pepperoni. A little bit more just because it's the high quality stuff. And then we got a little Parmigiano Reggiano. And why not? We got some fresh basil leaves today. Nice and pretty. Alright. Gonna figure this camera out, and then I'm gonna go spark up my pizza oven. It's going to be a wood fire today. Alright guys, so here's my Bluefish Terracotta pizza oven. I got it World Market. It retails for $199 US on worldmarket.com. I got this in store and I paid $179 US. That was 3 years ago. So what I did is I built a little bit of kindling, started a fire in the front, moved the fire to the back. Now I'm just adding medium-sized pieces of wood, and then eventually I'll add a larger piece of wood and move it all to the back. So I'm going to need to clean the soot off of the pizza stone area where I'm going to cook the pizza. I'm going to do that using tongs, a wet cloth, and of course always use fire retardant gloves. I have several reviews on both my channels of this pizza oven and updates on the reviews. The big takeaway is that it comes with a stand, but as you can see, it just basically sits on the ground. You're going to need to buy a separate stand, which they don't provide, so you don't have to sit down to cook your pizza. A lot of people ask me, is this a good buy? And my response is it depends. It was a good buy for me because it was reasonably priced. I knew I wanted to make pizza, but I just wanted to see if it was worth it to go through all the trouble and make my own pizzas, and if it was something that I enjoyed. And I was eventually going to buy a more expensive pizza oven, and that's why I got the cheaper pizza oven, to see if I would use it frequently enough to justify spending the money. And turns out I have a passion for pizza making. Now the cons are, other than having to go out and buy a separate stand that is not provided by World Market, the other con is it's an insane amount of work to build the fire and maintain the temperature that you need for whatever style of pizza you're making. So the OONI and the high-end propane pizza makers, you just have to worry about making a good pizza. It's a half-day project. You have to build the fire, maintain the heat, constantly check the heat. Other than that, it's a lot of fun. I got the wood burning in my pizza oven for at least 20 minutes. It's smoking hot. So we'll just slide it on in. It shouldn't take any time at all. You just want to sort of toast up the tortilla shell so it's nice and crisp. All right, here we go. Nice day on the lake today. It's about 35 degrees, that's Celsius.
Is that on?
Hmm?
Is that on?
No.
Where is it?
Huh? Is this Appies with Chappy by the lake? right, I can tell already it's very crispy. And cracker thin, just like the way we like it. That's a nice little snack. See how thin that is? All right, we like to have our Appies with Chappy by the lake. By the lake, so let's go by the lake. Alright, so we got my tortilla pizza, and I'm just going to do like a really quick Mai Tai. This is no way at all what people would consider an original Mai Tai. It's just a quick put together Mai Tai. So I got some 151 lemon heart and sun rum. Going to do a good 2 ounces there. Healthy pour. And then I have some Orgeat. Sometimes I do my own Orgeat, but it's basically just a simple syrup with almonds, or almond flavored simple syrup, and it's a key ingredient in the Mai Tai. So we'll just do a ½ ounce of the Orgeat. And then I like my Mai Tais very limey. Apologies to my British friends. So I'm going to use the juice of 2 full limes, and the lime will offset the sweetness of the Orgeat. Okay, and then I saved a lime wedge as garnish, and that's my very basic Mai Tai for Appies with Chappy by the lake. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Whew, it's a strong one.